on, people of God in this place, lift up your voices in high praise, for he is the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Come on, let's bless him, for he is the greatest. Now clap your hands like this.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a delicious Mexican lasagna. Yes, that's right. A Mexican lasagna. And here's what we're going to need. Sour cream, guacamole, Pico De Galo, salsa, refried beans, sliced olives. We're going to need some Spanish style rice, cheese, chili, and flour tortillas. We're also going to need a dish to prepare your lasagna in. Now, I'm going to make this simple because we had leftover chili from earlier this week. When I saw some of my friends on YouTube make a Mexican lasagna, I knew that that is what I had to do. So we are getting ready to put everything together. Here we go. Okay, first, let's begin to layer by putting the chili in. Now, you know, all lasagnas, just as any, have their own variations. So I like to do things very easy. So since we had leftover chili, I said we're going to have a Mexican lasagna, and we're going to use the chili that we had left over. Now, while I was preparing this, I thought about all the goodies that we could put inside of our Mexican lasagna. And I thought about, as I layered this, what should I include? So pretty much everything that was in the chili will be our base for the lasagna. Now, in the chili, there's ground beef, there's bell pepper, there's onion, there's chili seasoning. Now, let me make sure. Okay, I cut these so that I can make sure that they fit perfectly. Now, I may have cut too many, but it's okay. We always learn how to adjust and work things out in the kitchen because we want to make things easy. No problems in this kitchen. Very good. Now, another thing I did not mention to you, make sure you can see this. I have Spanish rice. Now, this is just an option. Not everybody's going to use Spanish rice. It's just to add another layer of flavor. Like I was saying, everybody has their own versions of how they want it to be. Now, this is the packet Spanish rice, Mr. Ben's. You can always make it yourself, but like I said, when you have people hungry and people waiting, you don't have time for that. Plus, this is easy and it's delicious. So I just want to spoon this in here and continue to layer. We're going to have some left over. Oh, there's so many versions of Mexican lasagna. There's so many different ways to prepare this. What I'm excited to hear in your comments are some of the different versions that you remember making your Mexican lasagna. It's so easy to do, everyone. All you have to do is just have some patience. Layer the cheese. I think I'm going to just pour it on. I'm going to do a couple layers of cheese. This is just going to be our first layer. Oops, that's enough for that one. Now you guys, like I said, share some of your versions. Let's help each other so we can learn some of the different methods. That way we can all make them good and make them tasty. Now what I also like to do is add some salsa, because there's so much flavor and it will bake right in. Add some salsa, not too much. I'm gonna spread this out. Let me see here what we have here. I'm gonna pack this in, you guys. Yes. Excellent. Okay, let me see if I can fit one more layer here. Oh, I'm sorry. This should go right here. There. This goes this way. Let me cut this one. I'm going to cut this one so that it will fit this way and this way. There we go. Put some more chili. Now while I'm doing this, everybody, you might hear the oven beep because the oven is warming up right now. So I'm just going to pack this on because we had so much left over. Just want to make sure that it gets some chili in every bite. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. Can't wait to see how this turns out. Here we go. Make sure it's in every corner. Yeah, so you guys, when I saw them enjoying this on YouTube, I said, oh my goodness, I have got to make this. Hashtag the cannons. They made a Mexican lasagna and it looks so delicious. All right, so I'm going to add some more cheese on the top. Spread this all out. Now this is a mixture of course you can use any kind of cheese you want. It's a mixture of Colby Jack and sharp cheddar cheese. So yeah, I might as well. I'm probably going to use all of this. So let me spread this out. Oh, I can't wait till this cooks. It's going to be beautiful. I'm going to need some more cheese. I'll be right back. It's right here. Maybe that's enough. Do you think that's enough? Let's see if that's enough. I think that's enough. Spread it all around. Make it nice and pretty. And then we're going to put some olives on the top. Now this is an option. Not everybody likes olives. But we love olives in here. We're just going to spread some olives, and after it's done, I'm going to top it with some green onions. I just didn't want to put those in the oven right away. This is looking beautiful. Okay, there we go. Just make sure it's spread out nicely. All right, I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'll be right back. Here we are. Fresh out the oven. Take a look. Mexican lasagna. Come on and get you some. I hope you've enjoyed this. Ooh. I can't wait to plate this.